Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about why you should be riding in the rain and 5 tips on how not to crash. So, first, I'm going to start with 5 reasons why you should be riding in the rain. So, the first reason is it looks great, man. It looks great, it's beautiful outside, the trees look greener, the grass is greener, the sky is. Maybe the sky is not blue, but the roads look better, everything just looks better, it's just romantic, in my opinion. And the second reason why you should be riding in the rain is it's just harder to ride in the rain. Yeah, it gives more chance of an accident, but then it's more fun to ride in the rain. It's harder to ride in the rain. The back tire like skids sometimes. You just have more fun riding it. So, like I said, it's more fun riding in the rain. So that's my third reason. We ride motorcycles because we like having fun, and motorcycles are fun, and rain just makes it more fun. Especially when you're going through corners or braking for a turn, you have to be more careful, and you have to not lock your brakes, and you have to take care of traction control and not downshift too quickly, and so on and so forth. So that gives that moves on to my fourth reason. Fourth reason is it improves your riding skills. So when you're riding in the rain, you have to be more focused. So it's like almost like riding on a track. Every action is amplified. So you have to be careful when braking, careful when opening the throttle, careful when shifting gears, careful when turning into a corner, and even careful while uh, while choosing which lane you take in. So you have a very narrow lane to travel in the rain. So it just improves your skills. It's more fun, and it's harder to rain. All these points are just add on to the fact that it's more beautiful. And the last reason why you should be riding in the rain is it's more visceral. You just feel the elements, you feel the air, you feel the water, you feel the cold or the heat that's coming through the water on your face. It just adds on to the whole sensation of riding a motorcycle, and you feel more visceral, and the wind, the water, and everything. It's just something you have to experience at least a couple of times when you're riding a motorcycle. And then let's move on to the five tips on not to crash when you're riding a motorcycle, because it's easy to crash when you're riding a motorcycle. So the first tip I would give is choose an easy route. So when you go on Google Maps or go on some kind of GPS, and you have to find out, let's say you have to go from city A to city B, try so check the box that avoids motorways. So it gives you a route that doesn't have any highways or motorways. Because highways and motorways just increase the chances, because you're switching lanes multiple times and there's so many cars around you. And you're taking an exit, and you're entering at speed. So there's just so many more possibilities of crashing. And also avoid twisty roads. So usually Google Maps gives you like two to three routes, or sometimes like four routes. So just look at the route, choose the road that has the most straights, most country roads. Country roads I find are the best because you're not stopping that much. Just choose straight country roads and just keep cruising. And it's straight roads and enjoy the scene. So the second advice on not to crash is be easy on the throttle and just short shift throughout the gears. So as you can see, this bike it gives the most power and torque after 5,000 RPM. Around 5,000 to 7,000, 8,000 RPM is when the engine comes alive with this bike. So as you can see, I'm just riding below 3,000 RPM, short shifting throughout the gears, and just going to sixth gear at 80 kilometers per hour, and just keep it at 3,000 RPM, and just cruising. The third advice, and the most important advice I'm giving, is choose a dry lane. So as you can see in this video, I'm just going behind a truck and going on the left tire track. So I choose the left tire track. It's my favorite because it's dry, and also it's not the right tire track where all the stones, gravel, dirt, and even sometimes like nuts and like screws are laid on that. So you can get it's it's just more dangerous because like wet gravel or wet mud is bad. Like you don't want to be driving right on that. So I choose the left tire track, and don't ride in the middle because that's where all the oil is dumped by the trucks and the vehicles in front of you. So just choose the left tire track. It's the driest ride you'll get on a rainy day. And if there's no tire track, let's say like the whole road is wet, just keep an eye on the road and just choose the least driest path because there might be puddles of water or puddles of oil or even sometimes ice. And the third tip, not to crash. Sorry, the fourth tip is be careful on braking and downshifts because during braking it's very hard to lock up the tires, especially the rear tire on wet conditions. So just have a feel for the rear tire, and especially on a vehicle like this, on a bike like this that doesn't have ABS on both wheels, you have to be really careful not to lock it up. So be gradual on the braking, front and rear, and make sure not to shift gears down really quickly too. So as you can see here, I shift gears down really quickly, and then my back tire slips out a bit, but I'm able to catch it because it's just a minor one. I'm going at really slow speeds, but just imagine you're going at let's say you're shifting from fourth to first gear, and your vehicle is still at 40 kilometers an hour, 60 kilometers an hour. The back tire is going to spin like crazy, and you're gonna crash. So make sure you shift down gears only when it's needed to, and be careful on the brake. And the last and final tip is just enjoy the view. It looks great. Go slowly. Just cruise at the speed limit. Go behind vehicles. Don't need to do some street crossy action and just overtake everyone and be a hooligan. That's for a different time. Just now, just enjoy the vehicle and get to your destination. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys learned something, and keep riding and ride in the rain.